We stayed sa Picnic Hotel during our Thailand trip. So in this Picnic Hotel review, we'll share with you our overall experience, starting with how to get to Picnic Hotel from the airport, a room tour, and our review of their breakfast buffet. We'll also briefly show the transportation options, malls, and convenience store near the area. We booked a standard double room via Klook, which can be around 2,300 pesos per night with breakfast. The rates can be higher depending on how early you book, but you can still get discounts when you use the promo code Pinoy Foodie Klook on your Klook bookings. So, how do you get to Picnic Hotel from the Suvarnabhumi Airport? The easiest is by train. Take the train line from the airport to get to the Ratchaprarop station. Don't worry, convenient naman yan even when you have your luggage with you.
Pababa na kami here sa Ratchaprarop station.
From the Ratchaprarop station, you have the option to go on an 8-minute walk to Picnic Hotel. But if you're traveling when the sun is out, medyo mainit, friends. So you can also just take a grab car. Mura lang naman siya.
Saglit lang, no? Parang less than 5 minutes.
3 minutes na ride.
Mga 3 minutes lang na ride from the station until dun sa dun sa Picnic Hotel. Yan na po si Picnic Hotel dito sa right side. Ayan po siya. Here it is! Pasok na kami ng Picnic Hotel finally! Ayan. Time check, mga 1:30 PM ata. So, just in time for our check-in. Ay, ganda ng lobby. Oh my God, aircon. Yes. Air conditioning. Ito po ang lobby ni Picnic Hotel. Ayan siya. Maliit lang, pero spacious naman enough for guests. Nasa elevator na kami ng Picnic Hotel. So, nakarating kami dito before 2 PM, like mga 1:45 to 2. Pero since ready na daw yung room, pwede na kami pumasok ng maaga. Pero normally, 2 PM talaga ang check-in. Ito tayo sa 5th floor. Ooh. Kahit ang floor ng lobby na ito ay maganda. Maliwanag. Wait lang. Tayo ay room 520. We shall look for room 520. Medyo confusing siya, friends. Ano siya? It's a maze in here. 519, 521, 520. Saan yung 0? Wait lang. 21 to. Katabi ng 21. 19. Asan yun? 20. Dito ay 17 at 15. Andito na finally. Ang weirdo kasi nasa kabilang side 519, after 519 521. Si 520 andito sa kabila.
Odd even parang ganun.
Probably. Tayo ay mag-room tour. Makikita nyo ang room namin together with us. First time pa namin makikita ang kwarto. Ayan. So ito po ang aming standard one bed na kwarto. Malaki nga siya. Ayan. So, ito po ang aming malaking bed. Ganda niya, oh. And then, in this corner ay merong parang coffee or work corner. Pwede ka mag-laptop dyan or magkape dyan. Meron ba tayong view? Ang ating view ay mga bintana lang din. Ayan, wala masyadong view itong room na ito. On the bedside ay ayan, meron tissue, notepad, telephone number lang. 0 daw yung pangtawag sa sa room service or sa desk. Ay, taray, meron ding maliit na balcony or kung nabubuksan siya, but ayan, supposedly may balcony dyan. And then right in front of the bed ay merong TV. Ayan po ang TV. Malaki naman siya. Ayan, kita nyo naman gano'ng kalapad. And then, is this a smart TV? Parang hindi. Walang mga Ayan, smart. May smart button. Smart TV siya. Room information. Ayan, mga bawal-bawal. Bawal pets. Bawal durian. Ito daw, itong dalawang tubig na ito ay complimentary daw yan. Pero everyday, they replenish the water. Everyday din, merong room service na they replace the sheets. They clean the room. Ganyan. So, dito, meron tayong kettle. Mga baso, mugs. What we have here ay I think this is coffee. Ayan, coffee and sugar. Coffee, sugar. This is creamer if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Tapos po, ito po, ayan yung mga lagayan ng stuff. Ito naman ang laman ng kanilang ref dito sa ilalim. Walang laman. Pero malamig ang ref. At least meron. Tapos, ito ay, feeling ko ito ay safe. Ayan, safe nga. Tapos, may lagayan tayo ng mga shoes dyan. Or whatever gusto nyo ilagay. Ayan, meron naman mga disposable slippers. Now, very important, tingnan natin ang bathroom, toilet and bath. Uy, malamig sa loob. Ayan po, ang kanilang sink. Merong soap, cotton buds, shower cap. The usual naman na toiletries, toothbrush. May baso, merong hair dryer, blow dryer here sa kanan. Ito po ang ating mirror. Malaki ang kanyang mirror. Tapos, right in front of the mirror ay ang ating toilet. And yes, ito po, ang tanong ng lahat. Meron bang bidet? Meron po tayong bidet. Very good. Tapos up there, dalawa kami. Ayan. And then ito po ang itsura ng kanilang shower. Naka-iwalay. May shampoo, may hand cleanser. Not sure yet, pero baka naman merong heater. Malalaman natin pag naligo na tayo if meron na heater. Yan po. Ayan ang ating very quick room tour. Yan, dyan kayo pwede magsabit-sabit ng inyong mga damit.
Good morning! So we just woke up and ngayon, pababa kami from our accommodation here sa Picnic Hotel to avail the breakfast na kinuha namin together with our room. So baba tayo ngayon, tingnan natin kung anong meron sa breakfast nila. Okay, so the place where you'll have your breakfast is right here beside the reception. Good morning! So this is what their restaurant looks from the inside. Dito kayo kakain ng inyong breakfast. And the looks of it, mukhang breakfast buffet ang meron tayo dito. So we have ayan, mga sausages and ham. This one is stir-fried chicken with black pepper, steamed seafood, potatoes. This is mac with tomato sauce, macaroni with tomato sauce. Ito naman ay mga bread that you can toast. Their jams, pineapple jam and strawberry jam. We have yogurt right here. And then mga fruits dito, dragon fruit. Ayun. And then some waffles and French toast here. Yan, different kinds of breads and pastries. Hindi ko napansin sa corner na to, meron palang mga fried egg, different types of, different cooking styles of egg. Ayan, buti na lang nakita ko. Wonder if may salt dito somewhere. Meron din silang salad bar, syempre. Ayan, konti lang. Thousand Island and Caesar dressings lang available, but at least meron. Ito ang lafang namin, guys. Eggs, potatoes. Ayan, konting fiber and protein. Fruits, syempre. Ayun, ito kay Armand mas maganda. Ang plate ni Armand. We have coffee. Kumuha ako ng konting soup lang. Ayan, so that's what the buffet breakfast is like dito sa Picnic Hotel. Dito sa area na to. Very BL. Nakikita namin yung mga students. Ayan. Na on their way to school. Ito yung parang gusto ko ng mga view kapag mga scenes when we're going out of the country, yung parang everyday local life, and we get a glimpse of how their life is outside the tourist experiences. Una nating titikman, guys, ay ang kanilang dragon fruit kasi so far amazing ang experience ko with the fruits here in Bangkok. Ayan po, dragon fruit.
Mukha namang fresh mo.
It's sweet.
Lahat na ng
Super sweet.
Ano?
Sarap ng dragon fruit nila. At yung masarap gawing smoothie. Kumuha ko ng salad kasi important na merong fiber every meal. Pero konti lang yung kinuha ko kasi ayoko rin mabusog agad. Alam mo naman yung salad. Very filling. Steady lang yung food sa Picnic Hotel kasi, well, we're guessing kasi syempre yung mga guests nila, iba-ibang tastes, iba-ibang nationalities. So, siguro kaya medyo muted yung lasa kasi so it could cater to more people. Ganon, hindi ganon ka-intense. Very limited lang yung options, to be honest. Ito lang, yung ulam nila, dalawang ulam lang, no? Dalawang kinds of ulam lang kung gusto mong magkanin. Kompleto in terms of variety, pero limited lang din per variety. I mean, enough na for a very simple breakfast. Nothing too grand, nothing too fancy. Ayun. So, we'll finish this food muna.
School pala yung tapat natin, kaya maraming estudyante kanina. Ayan, maraming bagets. So now we shall take a quick stroll. Hindi pa kami hulas kasi galing pa kami sa aircon. So right beside us, merong park. Right beside Picnic
Pwede
Hotel.
ka mag-jog if nagdala ka ng rubber.
In the morning. Oo. May mga nakita tayo nagja-jog, no?
The closest mall to Picnic Hotel is the Century The Movie Plaza, which is just a 6-minute walk from the hotel. This area is very convenient because it also gives you access to the Century train station as well as the Century bus station. There's also a 7-Eleven across the hotel, so you won't have a problem with convenience runs.
Check natin ano ang laman ng kanilang convenience store. We're going to 7-Eleven. So, malaki ang 7-Eleven na branch na ito. Tingnan natin what's different in there. Ayan ang mga juices nila dito. Next time, try ko to. So, may sausage bread, ano to? Filled bread, pork mayonnaise bread, coconut and pandan. Custard filled. Mukhang masarap ah. Egg sandwiches. Ito. Siyempre may bias ako sa egg sandwich ng Japan. Ito yung egg sandwich nila, may crab stick and mayo. Ito naman ay pork mayonnaise double pocket sandwich. Pastries, halos ubos na lahat. But they have a toffee cake right here. A strawberry roll cake. Mga donut dito na available. Ayan, ibang donuts individually packed na rin. And then breads. Ayan, 40 baht yung mga bread. Merong fresh fruits. Ayan, kumain na si Armand ng fresh fruits. Merong fresh eggs. Parang grocery. Ayan, may mga gulay nga. Ay, tingnan nyo. May tomatoes, may carrots. Cucumber ba yan? Zucchini. Cooking oil. Bigas. Ay, interesting yung lalagyan nila ng bigas. Oh. Ganito. Ano yung mga local delicacies? Kasi yun yung gusto natin itry. Black Thai pudding with coconut. Parang kutsinta, I guess. Toasty. Ito daw. Recommended ni Armand. Na-try niya na to before and masarap daw yan. Then, oh my God! Ano mango? Pickled mango. I want that also. Huwag niyo akong pagkatiwalaan ha. Randomly lang ako nagpipick dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong okay. But if you know what's good, let me know. Para next time we can try.
Overall, we had a really pleasant stay sa Picnic Hotel. It's accessible to various modes of transportation, the staff are friendly, and the service is excellent. The breakfast food though is so-so lang siya, not that good. But the highlight of our stay is how comfortable the room is. It's spacious, clean, well-lit, and has all the amenities that you would need. Yung bed, it's also very comfy. We had a really nice sleep during our stay. When I go back to Bangkok, I definitely consider going back to Picnic Hotel. If you found this video helpful, please like or leave a comment below. See you on my next video. Bye!